Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Clickworker review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this website called clickworker.com. So this is the Clickworker review, and if you are doing your research before joining this website, if you're wondering can you make money on this website or not, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Right now we are on the main home page of the website where you can see make your AI system smarter with high quality multifaceted. But this is where you need to be into Clickworker job area, and you can hit on this blue button and then you can log in, and before that you need to go and sign up. Okay, so sign up as Clickworkers, and then you have to go and fill up some information, go through some questionnaires, and if they accept you, then you can start doing jobs on this website as a Clickworker. And I guess you have to go and pass a couple of tests as well. Okay, so this is where you will click on register as a Clickworker, then go through their procedure, and if you get accepted, then you can start accepting some jobs and you can make money. So this is what we will cover in this video, and we'll try to give you some better ways as well to make money online, because this is the website clickworker.com, which has been serving globally. Okay, so they have millions of people registered as Clickworker, at least 2 million people who are working on this website as Clickworkers. When I say as, that means there are more people than the jobs. So if a website has got 2 million people who are ready to do the job, but there are only maybe 1 million jobs, so you can imagine that 1 million people will be jobless. Okay, so this is what happens when the website gets saturated. So we have a lot of websites, some freelancing websites such as freelancer.com, upwork.com, then fiverr.com, guru, people per hour. There are so many websites online for freelancers. Okay, however, let's talk about this clickworker.com in this video. So you can see here they are a $1 million company. Net revenue is up to 10 million per year, I guess. And it shows year founded 2005, but their website went live in 2006. Okay. And if you talk about the visitors, you can see they are getting millions of visits every single month. Okay. So this is the 2 million visit last month. Okay. And we can see where the traffic comes from. So here you go, the data from last 3 months. So in the month of May, 2 million, in the month of April, 1.9, and in the month of March, 2 million. So on an average, this website clickworker.com gets 2 million visits per month, which is huge. Okay, so it's not a small website. We are not questioning the authenticity that will they pay you on time or not. They will. Okay, a lot of people are making money on this, and when I say making money, it doesn't mean that you will become rich. Okay, again guys, you have to ask these questions in your head, that how much money are you trying to make, and do you have control of anything in this process or not? Okay, because if you talk about any website, these are third-party websites. Okay, Clickworker, Freelancer, Upwork, Fiverr, they are not your business. Okay, you are on their mercy, that as long your profile is listed on these websites and as long you're getting orders, you can make some money. Okay, but if for some reason they don't like you or something goes wrong, they can deactivate, delete, suspend your account or profile, and you can't do shit about that. Okay, so do remember. But in this video, yes, we are talking about how this website is going to help you if you want to use it. You can see the traffic stats here. So most of the traffic, I would say, is coming from others, but as a country, 18% coming from, almost 19% coming from India. Then second is America, as you can see here. Then we have Brazil, then Zambia, and I don't know Zambia, where is it located? Somewhere here, I guess. Okay, so 2 countries, I would say, India and USA, where people are mostly using this website to do these micro task jobs. And even out of these 2 countries, I would say if you are in America, then only you are in the luck. Okay, if you are in any country outside America, then don't expect to get some results, because it depends which zone, region you are, because if you are not into America, you will not find enough jobs. And even if you find enough jobs, the pay rate will be low. Okay, because if you can make maybe 10 bucks per hour in America, you will not make 10 bucks per hour in Zambia. Are you getting the point? So that is why it's good for people who know what they're doing, and I'll talk about when this website was registered. So Right, so here you can see that it's getting millions of views, okay? And if I come on this website called whos.com, here you can see their domain is with GoDaddy, so they're using GoDaddy, and it was registered back in 2006. So it is almost 21.5 years old, okay, this website. So they have been in business plus 20 years. That's a lot of time, okay? That's a long time they have been in business. And coming back here, let's talk about what kind of jobs you're gonna get, okay? So you can see what kind of jobs you can get. You can get some lead research job, some maybe SEO job here, some maybe content writing job, maybe this proofreading job, okay? So you have these, FAQs here, Clickworker job questionnaire and Clickworker frequently asked questions. So you can click on these two things when you come on this website, and you can go through their frequently asked question and answers, and you can get all the information which you need, okay? And this website is headquartered in Germany and in America, okay? However, they serve globally, so they accept workers from all over the world in, I think, in 136 countries, okay? But mainly they're located in Germany and USA. So this is all about clickworker.com. There's no doubt that this website is legit or not. It is 200% legit, and it does work. A lot of people pay. Let's talk about the important facts, that how much money can you make and how frequently can you make the money, okay? I gave you a hint here that if you are located in America, you might get some jobs in dollars, okay? But if you are outside America, you will not earn that much, and the job availability might be less. So sometimes you might have 5 jobs, in a day. Sometimes you might never get single job in next 20-50 days, okay? So again, guys, this website or any such websites, okay, as I told you, this is not an online business. You have no control over nothing, okay? You are again on the mercy that, okay, this is a website, I'll sign up, I'll go and do some tests. Don't forget that I have no idea that will you be able to pass their tests or not. Will you be able to successfully sign up this website or not? I have no clue, okay? Because if you ask me personally, will I do this? Never. Let's put some personal perspective into this as well, because I know how to make money online in better ways, okay? So if somebody knows how to make money as a business in which you have full control so that no one comes in between you and the money, then will I go and do my own business, or will I worry about clickworker.com? So personally, I will never go and waste my time on this. It does not mean, okay, personally, if I'm not going to use this website, it does not mean that it is a scam or something. No, it is still genuine, legit, but it's something that I will go and invest my time in something better, okay? Something better means so that it can give me results and the money will come into my bank account, okay? So Clickworker is legit, but I am gonna give you better options to make money online if you stick till the end. And if you are enjoying this video, then it's absolutely free here. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe, it's all free. And if you want to contribute to the channel, you can use the super thanks button too, okay? So I was talking about how much can you make with this Clickworker. Maybe, I don't know, I have no clue, okay? I told you how many jobs will be available and how many days you will be without a job. I don't know, okay? Because I told you, if the demand is less than supply, or supply is more than demand, then that's a problem, okay? Because if you have 2 million click workers and the jobs are only 1 million, that means those 1 million people have to sit idle until the new jobs come. So it will be a problem, okay? Because how will you go and fulfill the job criteria for every click worker, okay? So it's pretty difficult. And if you really want to only focus on making money, and trust me, if you want to go and take control of all the process, okay? Control means you do not have to go and pass some tests. You don't have to go and wait for an email to come that, okay, congratulations, we have accepted you into a Clickworker program. If you do not want to depend on the mercy of somebody else to approve you or deny you or pay you, because understand, if everything goes smooth, then what happens? You will get your job, and then you have to complete the job, and then the money will go to this Clickworker website. They will put your money on hold because it's your first sale, so the money will go on hold for maybe 2 weeks, maybe for 4 weeks, okay? And eventually after 2 months you might get your first payout, and who knows what happens in 2 months. You might they might end up closing your account. for whatever reason. Okay, so these are some scenarios you have to consider. I always talk about what could happen, what I'm talking about worst thing. Okay, what worst things could happen if we try to go and make money on third party websites which are not in our control. Okay, so again, don't get me wrong, this website is legit, is genuine. People are earning money by completing some micro jobs. Okay, and I'm not a big fan of doing all this because I know the best and the better ways to make money. For example, I'm recording this YouTube video. Okay, so I'm recording this YouTube video, you're watching this video, and you must have seen some ads in this YouTube video too in the beginning, or maybe a couple of times by now. Okay, so if you have seen those ads, I have made, or rather this video has made some money for me. Okay, and there's no one between me and the money now. You watch those ads, the money is mine. Okay, so I don't have to depend on some Clickworker or some other website to to put my money on hold for 2-4 weeks and then pay me next month. No, not gonna happen. YouTube pays me on time every single month. Okay, so if you want to know how to do exactly what I'm doing and have the full control, then you can go below my YouTube video right now here and click on show more. You will find the first link that says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Okay, let's click on Traffic Jarvis here because I will give you two super cool methods to make money online for the rest of your life. Okay, so here it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is Traffic Jarvis. Okay, well, this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, we will talk about this in detail, but first of all, let's talk about this email marketing. Okay, now email marketing is a very good way to make money online if you have an email list. Okay, now if you don't know what email list is where you have thousands and thousands of email addresses of people, and you send them some affiliate offer, and if they buy from your emails, you will make 50% commission, less or more. Okay, so if you don't know anything, then I am giving you something on the platter right now. Okay, it means that you check out the system right now on the screen here. It will give you 100 email leads per day. Okay, and you will be given the software as well to email these people every single day, and you can sell them any offer of your choice. Okay, and this is called affiliate marketing. If you do not know what is affiliate marketing, then you may go on to check out this program. Okay, this keys tracking, keyword symbol stupid. Keys tracking will teach you exactly how to do affiliate marketing as a newbie. Okay, so you can try this program. And yes, so once you know what to promote, then you will be getting these 3,000 leads in a month, and you will be allowed to send emails to those leads once per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice, and if they buy from your links or from your emails, you make some money. Okay, so you can see here they have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have personally made 363 so far with the system, and this is only one of my accounts. I have more than one account. Okay, so here are the proof that you get you make money by doing email marketing. So if you want to try the system, click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action. If you take action, then I'll send you some bonus email swipes. Okay, now let's talk about Traffic Jarvis here, because Traffic Jarvis is all about YouTube. Okay, if you want to make money on YouTube for the rest of your life, then you need Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, which are actually necessary and required if you want to get money on YouTube or make money on YouTube without selling anything, just by earning that YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so if you want to learn how you can do all that, so click on this play button again here, and then go on the next page, enter your name and email, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the Traffic Jarvis video and then take action. Okay, nothing will happen if you don't take action, right? Now what happens after that, you can see here you can make this kind of money, maybe less or more depending on how much you work. So this is the money I have made by uploading these YouTube videos without selling anything. Okay, people watch ads in my YouTube videos, just like you have seen some ads in this video. Okay, and this is the money I have made, right? And this is the money I have made by promoting some products on internet. So 986 here, 807 there, and again here. Okay, so if you want to learn how to go and promote some products in your YouTube videos just and earn this kind of commission, then again this keys tracking will help you to learn all that. Okay, and by the way, if you get into Traffic Jarvis, this keys tracking will be inside Traffic Jarvis by default, right? Now I'm not sure if you're a newbie or experienced marketer, but in case if you are an experienced marketer and you want to make money every month without selling anything, then you may want to go and try this product which says make 120 recurring commission. Click on this link here and it will take you to this ebook page. Enter your name and email, then click on email me my free ebook. Go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be given your ebook. Get the ebook and then join the system, because this system can pay you up to $120. It can pay you up to $120 from one sale. Okay, so technically you have to sell this system to others. All right, and if you can, let's say, bring in 10 people into the system, those 10 people can pay you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is for people who know how to sell. And if you have an email list or you already have a YouTube channel and you are looking for a product to promote, then maybe you want to go and look into this make 120 recurring commission system. Okay, now let's do a recap here. The recap is this clickworker.com is a legit website. Okay, people do make some money. It is not your business, understand? If you only want to make money as a side income, maybe couple of $100 maybe a month, and if you're in America, you have the chances that you will be accepted and you will get jobs frequently. But if you want the full control in your hands, you do not want to depend on some other website to approve your account, pass your tests, or maybe pay you out, because understand, there will be problems, whether you like it or not. These I don't like them. Personally, I do not like anybody to hold my money or approve me or reject me. I don't care. I want to make money for myself. Okay, so for example, right now I'm making this video. This video should make money and nobody should come in between me and the money. Okay, that's how I think, right? So again, guys, the website is okay, but if you want to get the total control in your hands and you want to make money for rest of your life, then go below my YouTube video, click on the first link here which says make money with traffic jarvis. Come on this page here and you can either go and try this email marketing system and start growing your email list. You will get 100 leads every day and also the software to email them once per day. And if you want to make money on YouTube just like me, then go and check out traffic jarvis here. And that's it for now, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you can go and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai, that means ta bye bye.